Hello viewers, this is Mehdi Hassan and welcome to our channel again. So in this video I will describe about a impact testing system. In this system we can measure the impact value of any metal, and we need to use here a anvil, and we also included here a impactor with this movable frame. And now you can see that we designed here another set of anvil and impactor. So we can change this impactor and we can set this triangle type impactor in this system also. You can see this anvil, it's basically a curved system anvil, and we use here a impactor, it's basically a flat system in both sides, and we included here a lock system. It can fix or free our base of impactor with this chain. We use here a 700 kg load cell, and this load cell will take the impact value or pressure value from this system, and it will send it to our Arduino Nano, and after calculating the value it will showing in our serial monitor of our laptop. We get here some value of this system, and it's basically our hand pressure in our anvil. Now I will show you the working procedure of our lock system, which is included with our impactor. So we will push up this lock with our impactor. In the upper side we inserted a metal rod that will push our lock system, and it will release our base of impactor, and it will fall down on the anvil. Our total system is basically automatic system, that's why we need to rotate this chain by using a motor, and we use here a gear system to move our impactor base automatically to upper side. We used here a 12-volt DC motor with gearbox to run this total system automatically. The height of this project is almost 8 feet, and it's not 8 feet, it's more than 8 feet, and this frame is totally metal frame. Now we will make pressure in our anvil and impactor by using our hand, and we can get a pressure value or impact value in this monitor. So in this system we use our hand, but our main operation will be automatically, and we need to change our anvil and impactor set, and then we will get different type of impact. This system is generated to get the impact value of any foam and different type of foams. This research work is doing here as per our safety purpose, and when a rider is riding bicycle or any motorcycle, at that moment the helmet is most important for any rider, and the helmet is works with a foam, and we need to check the quality of this foam to finalize that which foam is more suitable for our helmet. That's why we use this impact testing system, and then we can know which foam is more preferable for our helmet or our safety system. So thank you so much for staying with us for a long time. So if you want to make this project, then you can contact with us. Our all details will be included in our description. So thanks again and Allah Hafiz.